there! Today we are going to film Japanese cuisine masterclass here at Farmstay House Furumaya in Fukuchiyama. This is Sayaka-san. She's the owner of Furumaya and the teacher of Japanese cuisine class. And this is our operator from the last video, Shimizu-san. First things first, we are going to take a lecture from Sayaka-san about the basement of the Japanese cuisine, Ichiju Sansai. Take a lot of beautiful pictures as you always do, Shimizu-san. What does the seasoning used this time taste like? First, Sayaka-san will show us the example. They both look so serious. Good luck! Okay, the border cut well. That's a good start. Robin is so good at using kitchen knives. Now let's make tofu steak. Steak made from tofu is unique Japanese food. Okay, who's gonna do it? Maxim, go for it! That one looks delicious. Maxim is quite used to it. I wonder if he usually cooks at home. Next is rolled omelette dashimaki. That's a good rhythm. Sayaka-san should be showing first. Next challenge. Can they do it well? Now the rice is ready to cook and it's almost done. Good luck, both of you! Finishing the tofu steak, sprinkle a lot of sauce and it looks delicious. Now it's time to serve. It's done! It's look really good! And now when you're full, it's a good time to relax at the Furumaya with a wood stove. Thank you, Furumaya-san! Now let me introduce you to another special place. This is another farmstay, Aburaya, in Miwacho. Located on the approach to Obara Shrine in Miwacho, which just opened last year, this accommodation is a renovated old folk house with a history of 100 years. The interior, antiques, and the moss garden handmade by the owner are really beautiful. Miwacho has many people who live with beautiful nature and many experiences that can only be found here. Please come and experience as you can. See you in the next video.